Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of component with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. For that first we will draw two circles of 30 mm diameter and 60 mm diameter. So one by one I will do all the steps. Here I am closing this window and go to the Fusion 360 interface. So go to create sketch, select this plane. After selecting this plane, create a circle of 30 mm. Then create one more circle of 60 mm. After creating such circles, now the next what we have to do, we have to create one more circle of 25 mm diameter. Then we will draw one more circle of 50 mm diameter. So just create a 25 mm diameter circle. Select this dimension command from here, and dimension is 60 mm as per the drawing. Now the next, select the circle command, draw a circle of 50 mm diameter, press enter. So we have completed this one and this one. Now draw a line to connect this point to this, and similarly connect this one. Then the next what we have to do, we can see here from here that you have to draw a circle of 25 mm diameter at an angle of 45 degree, and this is 100 mm the distance between the center of this circle and this circle. So draw a line, reference line at an angle of 135 and 100 mm and press enter. After this, what we have to do, we have to draw this circle of 25 mm. So select this one, draw a circle of 25 mm, press enter. After drawing this circle, now what we have to do, now we have to create this particular circle of radius 17.50, or we can say the diameter of 35 mm. So draw a circle of 35 mm diameter and press enter. After this, draw a line in this way. Press escape, select this line, press escape. Similarly, select this mirror command, select this line, select this as a mirror line and press OK. Now the next, finish the sketch. First we have to extrude this particular hollow cylinder. So as per this drawing, we can see this is 16 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20. It is 120 mm. So extrude it up to 120 mm. Press OK. Again visualize this particular sketch. After this, what we have to do, the next, we have to extrude this one, this profile up to 40 mm from an offset plane of at a distance of 40. For that, select this extrude command, select this profile and this profile, and from here we will select this offset and provide here 40, and the distance we here provide 40 and press OK. So from here we can see we have created the same one. And now the next what we have to do, again select this extrude command, select this one and this one, and from the drawing we can see this part at a distance of 20 mm from this particular surface. For that, again we choose this offset, select this is offset at 20 and extrude it up to a 10 mm thickness and press OK. So we have create one flange. Next, again we select this extrude command, select this one and this one, and from here again we select this offset, provide here this is 90. We can see from here this is 20, this is 10, this is 60, so complete is 90 and the thickness is 10. So we will provide here 10 and press OK. So we have created such kind of object. Now the next what we have to do, we have to provide the physical appearance. For that we select this appearance command, and from here as per our drawing this is green color paint. So here I provide this green color paint and press close. So as you can see what we have done, we have created the same object what we have seen in this particular image. So this is the way how to create such kind of objects. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.